In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a file in Gmail on your PC. If you've ever needed to share documents, photos, or any kind of file electronically, then you've probably thought about emailing them. Gmail, being one of the most popular email services, makes this process quite simple. So, let's walk through the steps together. First, start by opening your web browser and heading over to Gmail. Once you've logged in, you'll see the main interface, which shows your inbox and other basic functionalities. Look towards the top left corner of your screen. This is where the Compose button is prominently displayed. Clicking Compose opens a new email window where you'll draft your message. Now that you have the email window open, let's move on to attaching your file. At the bottom of this Compose window, you'll notice an icon that looks like a paperclip. This is the Attach Files icon. Clicking this will open a file browser dialog, allowing you to navigate through your computer's directories. With your file browser open, browse through your computer's files and folders to find the document or image you wish to send. Once you've located it, simply click on the file to select it, then click Open. This action will attach the file to your email, and you'll see it appear at the bottom of the Compose window, just above the text field. Need to send more than one file? No worries. To attach multiple files, you'll need to hold down the Control key on your keyboard. As you hold this key, click on each file you want to send. Once you've selected all the files you need, click Open. They will all upload and appear attached to your email. Attaching files and sending them via Gmail can be incredibly useful, whether you're sending work documents, photos, or any other type of digital file. This simple feature makes sharing information fast and efficient, saving you the hassle of finding other means of file transfer. Now, just fill out your email recipient in the To field. Enter a subject to give the recipient a quick overview of what's inside, and perhaps include a small message in the body of the email to give context to the attachments you're sending. Once you're all set, just hit Send. Your email, complete with attachments, will be on its way to your recipient. And that's it. Once you hit Send, your email along with its attachments should successfully reach the recipient's inbox. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and makes the process of sending files in Gmail a breeze for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment or look out for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.